Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly share with you what we're doing today in human behavior. I thought it'd be faster than typing it all up, and you'd probably have a better chance of looking at it. So, your paper is due tomorrow for your psych experiment. We talked a lot about it yesterday, but I just want to make sure you feel supported and to tell you some people who can help you in the room. So, first thing I'm going to ask you to do today is you have blank paper on your table, and I'm going to ask you to use what's on the board and write down the list of things you have to accomplish. Okay, so let me explain a little bit. Like always when we do this, folks, you get to write down where you start. So the first thing I have is just the data sorts. If you did that yesterday and you have good data sorts, please don't do it again. If you completed your frequency charts already, please don't do it again. But for many of us, this is where we're going to be starting today, following the frequency chart. So let me just get them a little bit more written. I'll write and talk, and then we'll be done with this. So one more time, you're just writing down wherever you start. If you have your frequency charts done as of yesterday, that's great. The next thing I'm going to ask you to do is please make sure that you copy your charts into findings in your paper. So under that findings heading, just copy and paste that chart there. And then below it, you will summarize the chart. So what does it say? What are girls doing versus boys? Who did more, your control or your independent variable? So make sure you summarize what is in your chart. There's a reason we're doing this. I don't have to get into it now, but it will definitely help you. The other thing I'd like you to start doing today, once you have that data piece done, and remember, I'm just really looking for the chart, the explanation of the patterns, then you can start writing your paper. So if you haven't yet, you're going to write your idea. So you're going to write the answers to the idea in paragraph form. Then for your research, and I'm not going to take any more time to write and talk. For your research, you've already summarized 3 articles, at least. I'd like to know which ones of those helped you and how that article helped you in your experiment. So, for example, here's a summary of my article on sensory memory. It stated 7 to 10 items are what is in your sensory memory at any given time. And that really helped me to create my experiment because I knew that if I moved more than 8 items in the classroom, you couldn't handle it. And it would have been a confounding variable. That's the type of thing you're going to use those summaries for. You can keep your hypothesis and your control and independent variables listed. You can keep your experimental design listed, and you can keep your materials listed. So between that, the findings you're going to do ahead of time, you are almost done with this paper. Well done. If you can get to that point today, that'd be great. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. I will be paying attention. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.